Okay, so today we're gonna make a little bit of protein pasta for lunch. If you guys haven't had this, this is like the best high protein pasta. Literally has 10 grams of protein per serving. So I put some olive oil in the pan, and then I'm gonna put some shrimp just because we want pasta with shrimp today. That's what we're craving. So we're gonna go ahead and put that, and then we're gonna go ahead and let that cook for a little bit on high. And then in the meantime, while that's cooking, then I already pre-cut my vegetables. I did some bell peppers, some zucchini, and I did some broccolis, and that's all we're gonna use. And it's always good to have some fresh Parmesan. That's always helpful for topping. And these are basically everything you need. For the sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and use pesto sauce again, just because we have some leftovers. And then once my mushroom start cooking, I'm just gonna let it cook for a good, good 10-15 minutes. Looks like I forgot a tail here. I thought I took all of them out. All right, so that's that. Now looks like my my pasta is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water. We're gonna go ahead and drain the water from that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it and put it in my dish. Look how good that looks. So once this is ready, I'm gonna put it on the side until my sauce gets ready. And really the shrimps get ready really fast. So you're just gonna roll it around for a little bit, let them cook for a good 10-15 minutes. I mean, it smells really good. For seasoning, I put a little salt, pepper, garlic, and Italian seasoning. It's your choice if you want to put some pepper flakes. I just like them a little spicy, not too much. And I put a little bit of rosemary on there as well. So it smells really, really good. We're almost there. Let's see. So, getting there. All right. So I don't know if you guys are watching our channel or not. Jeremy has a really, really good YouTube channel because he does a lot of drone shooting, and he does a lot of videographic, and then a lot of photographic, and then when we go places. So this is nothing, again, that we do out of our daily life. It's just something that we do. We have our regular jobs, our regular businesses, but we just like to have hobbies to keep us busy on the side, so that's what we do. And so it looks like my shrimps are ready. Now I'm gonna add some mushrooms. I was gonna say marshmallows. Some mushrooms. I'm gonna add that. And then again, let it cook for a little bit. I'm gonna use this stove just because that one looks wobbly. There we go. Ooh, it looks really good. So once you have that ready, then you usually, I like to usually add my veggies to it. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add my veggies. I put my broccoli, bell pepper, mushrooms, some zucchini, and here. Rinse it. Alright. Then we're gonna keep it covered for a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna keep it covered and see. Probably need like few minutes. I would usually leave it like 10-15 minutes and then go back and check how it looks. Okay, so after I mix all my veggies and my pasta, ooh, if you guys could see, look how pretty that looks. So I got my mushrooms, my broccoli. Let's see if I could put some cheese just to make it more yummy. Let's see, we're gonna put some shredded cheese on it just because we like it cheesy. It makes it more creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I am going to, where's my, oh, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some Parmesan too. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see, where's my, I'm gonna put some in a plate. Let's see. Let's make sure that the plate is clean. So let's go ahead. Look how creamy this looks. Delicious. Look at that. So I'm gonna, again, it's a protein pasta. So you're gonna go ahead and put your pasta in like this. I know Jordan likes a lot of shrimp, so I'm gonna put extra shrimp, some broccoli, and then there we go, some bell peppers, and a little more of, there we go. Now I'm gonna put some fresh Parmesan. I don't know about you guys, but I just like the taste of fresh Parmesan. There you go. That's our pasta. That looks delicious.